Today we are going to discuss about how to install PostgreSQL on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. In this video, we will cover how to install PostgreSQL on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, configure PostgreSQL on Ubuntu 24.04 and secure on Ubuntu. First of all, PostgreSQL, often referred to as Postgres, is a powerful open source relational database management system known for its robustness, performance, and advanced features. As a popular choice among developers and enterprises, PostgreSQL supports a wide range of data types and performance optimization features, making it ideal for handling complex data relationships and mission critical applications. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to install PostgreSQL on Ubuntu 24.04, ensuring you have a reliable and efficient database system up and running on your server. The prerequisites are: we need Ubuntu 24.04 and also SSH access with admin privileges. First of all, we'll install PostgreSQL. For that, first we will update our system. For that, use this command. Now we have to install the PostgreSQL using the package manager. For that, use this following command. Now we have to execute the PostgreSQL apt repository script. For that, use this following command. Let me clear this. If it asks to enter or about, click on enter. Now we have to install the PostgreSQL database server package. For that, use this following command. Now we have to start the PostgreSQL database server. For that, use this following command. Now the server has been started. Now we have to verify the status of the PostgreSQL. For that, use this following command. As you can see, the server is active, and now we have to secure the PostgreSQL database server. For that, we have to log into the PostgreSQL database server. For that, use this following command. Now we are inside the Postgres. Now we have to change the default password of the Postgres server. For that, we have to use this command. In the place of this strong password, we can set a password which is our wish. So I'll change the password. I'll give the password as DevOps hint, and now click on enter. Now we have to create a new user database manager with a new password. For that, use this following command. Again, in the strong password, we have to give our password. I'll give it as DevOps int. Now click on enter. Now we have to exit the console. For that, use Ctrl plus D. Now press Ctrl plus D. Now we are exited. Now to change the default peer value to Scram SHA 256 in the pghba.conf file and enable password authentication, we have to run this following command. Now the password which we have gave now has been enabled. Next, we have to restart the server. For that, use this following command. Now our server has been restarted. Now we have to create a new sample table called. Now I am creating a sample table with the name of doctors. Now for that, we have to switch to the Postgres user. For that, use this command. Now I switch to the user. Now we have to access the PostgreSQL prompt. For that, use this command. Click on enter. Now it asks for a password which we gave frequently. Now we have to give the password. Now click on enter. Now we have to create a database. For that, use this command. Now we have to connect the newly created database. For that, use this command. Now the database has been connected. Now we have to create a table. For that, I'm taking the data from here. In this, you can also give your own data. For now, I'm giving this data. Click on enter. Now we have to insert the sample data. I will insert the sample data now. Now, if I want to see this data, I can use this following command, which is this command. As you can see, this is the data which I have inserted into the database. So if you want to exit, use the slash n, wait, use this slash nq to exit the console. Click on enter. Now, and that's it. This is about how to install PostgreSQL on Ubuntu 24.04. Thank you.